Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
Assalamu alaikum. This is from Ielts.
And we are recording in northern areas of Pakistan. This is Swat Valley, Madian area. So Shumaila, Ielts in north, What's your question?
My question is actually I want to ask you about कि IELTS reading जो है ना वो इतनी difficult क्यों होती है?
Okay, the question is why is IELTS reading difficult? I would like to answer this question in a number of different ways. First of all, it's not IELTS reading which is difficult. It's the aptitude of the students, aptitude of the candidates. The first thing is most of IELTS candidates, they try to attempt their IELTS after their intermediate. And unfortunately or fortunately, many students study in their native languages when they reach until intermediate. Maths is in English, English is in English, some science subjects are in English, but otherwise their main study course is in their native language, right? Now, when it comes to IELTS, students have no exposure to passages based on science, technology, research. There are different articles on health and articles on animals, articles on plants, research going on, a study that went on and all that. So when they read them, they become panicked. They get terrified. The second problem is the questions that we have, those questions are sometimes tricky. So the main difficulty is reading comprehension.
Okay.
Whatever the students read, they don't understand. When they don't understand and they try to find the answer from somewhere that they don't understand, as a result, they will have wrong answers. So according to me, now you would say what is the solution for that?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
I was ready to ask.
Okay. So in order to simplify IELTS reading, I advise you all that at least you should translate 10 reading passages from English into your native language.
लेकिन असद ये थोड़ा सा difficult नहीं हो जाएगा like कि अगर हम translate करने बैठ जाएंगे तो हमारी एक habit ही ये बन जाएगी.
No, it's not that. It's not that. When you, if you don't understand the language and your education system is based on translation, right? All the people who watch my videos, whether they're in Africa, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, education system is based on translation. They have like target language and they have first language. So if they translate English from target language to first language, they can understand the things better. And by translating 10 passages, they would be crystal clear that, okay, this is the nature of passages, this is how the writers develop their ideas in the passages. Then at least they will be able to start with their reading comprehension. Once they start with that, then gradually through practice they can improve further.
अच्छा सर ये passages जो हैं हम normal articles पढ़ें या फिर IELTS की ही book से होने चाहिए?
Yes, that's a good question. You can take Cambridge IELTS book number 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, so from book number 1, in book number 1 you can find 12 passages because there are 4 tests. With each test there are 3 passages. So I think it's a good idea if you translate book 1. If after translation of book 1 you read normal text and still you don't understand, then you can go to book 2. Otherwise book 1 translation is more than enough. And I'm sure, and one more thing, when you read, you got to read it for 100% understanding. Underline each and every new word, underline new phrase, underline new vocabulary. Okay, and then see what's the meaning of that. You should have a dictionary from English into your first language, English into your native language. And then, when you translate, make sure every sentence makes sense to you, every word makes sense to you, every paragraph makes sense to you, and then you can translate the questions of IELTS as well. Once you do it like this, then you come to normal IELTS passage, you will be fine. Because Shumaila, it takes a lot of time and energy to start thinking in English, to understand English directly into English. So for these students, if they start like, this is for very weak students. The students who've studied in their native language to English, A for apple and then translation of apple. So this tip is for them.
अच्छा सर एक और चीज़ लाइक अभी जो आपने टिप दी है ना कि लाइक उसको ट्रांसलेट करें, अंडरलाइन करें फ्रेजेस को, मीनिंग देखें, सब वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स होंगे आपके लिए।
Okay.
अच्छा असद, इससे एक और चीज़ भी होगी कि अगर किसी की मतलब नॉर्मल भी है, ये तो आपने बताया ना कि जो बहुत वीक है, अगर वो भी ये करें तो उनकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव हो सकती है।
Most definitely.
आइल्स के लिए स्पेशली।
Exactly, and this thing will help you in spoken English, in IELTS speaking as well.
Even
So I think this is
writing,
good.
even
Yeah, it can
writing.
help you with writing. So you should start it from today. Actually, Shumaila, you know, having a problem is not bad thing. Finding no solution to the problem is the worst thing.
Exactly.
So when you have a problem and you have a solution, no problem at all. When you have a problem and you don't have a solution, that is something which is really awful.
और असद
Awesome.
हर
Awful.
प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है।
Well, I try because you know I've done a lot of research on IELTS. I've been teaching IELTS for many years, so at least I know how to tackle the questions and answers. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub with
शुमाइला नजर।
wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.
खुदा हाफिज।